Hello guys, my name is Himanshu Kumar and today I am your math faculty of JEE Men's and Advanced. So today I am going to start a new chapter that is area under curve. Okay, just let me change my color. Yeah, just hold on a minute. So guys, yeah, so welcome to Brainipedia Skills. So today we are going to continue a chapter area under curve. Okay, we are going to start a chapter actually area under curve. So before starting area under curve, you should be aware of integration, the complete integration. That means indefinite integration as well as definite integration. Okay. Both the chapters you need to be thorough with. So, first of all, you need to, if you have not completed graph transformation, so at least you should know the standard graphs. Okay. Like the graphs of parabola, graphs of parabola, that part you should be aware of. Then suppose a graph like all the entire conic section, suppose circle, ellipse and everything. Okay. Then you need to know the integration entirely. That means the definite and indefinite part. Suppose indefinite, like like substitution method, eyelid rule, everything you need to be aware with. Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn under area under curve. First of all, we are going to learn the first topic, that is area by vertical strip. Okay, area by vertical strip. Okay, clear. Then we would be learning about area by horizontal strip as well, and then plotting regions. Horizontal strip as well as we are going to learn about plotting regions. Okay. So these things first we are going to learn about this chapter. Okay. So so area under curve. I'm erasing this part. For area under curve, suppose just recall the like your definite integration. Recall. Okay. So suppose I have taken one graph and the graph starts in this way. Suppose. Okay. Let's just suppose this one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2. As you can see, which graph I have taken. Any graph, let it be f of x. Okay. Let it be f of x. Now this is above this horizontal line. That means x-axis, right? Isn't it? This is above x-axis, right? And this one is below x-axis. So what we are going to do? From 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, you need to take positive f of x dx. Okay. Plus of from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2 you need to take minus of f of x dx. Okay. Why? Because this one is lying below the x axis. Okay. Understood. Now next we have, you need to observe something. Okay, over here, that a geometrical interpretation of definite integral. Suppose I have taken type 1, we are going to learn about type wise. Okay. So type 1, suppose I have taken area of region bounded between y equals to f of x and y equals to g of x. They have given you two function and the ordinates. It is bounded by these two graphs and the ordinates. Okay. So you already know what is ordinates, right? The points on x-axis are the ordinates. The points on y-axis is the abscissa. Ordinate abscissa, that part you are already aware with. So x equals to a, 2, x equals to b. Okay. So how we are going to find it out? Let's draw the curve. Suppose I have taken first curve as f of x and the second curve as g of x. Okay. Let it be over here, this portion as at x equals to a. This one is at x equals to b. Okay. Clear? Now they have asked you this entire region. Okay. So how to find out this entire region? So it is bounded from A to B. Okay. And which is the upper curve and lower curve? You need to know these two things. Okay. So this one f of x and this one is g of x, suppose. Okay. So this one is upper curve. Okay. This one is upper curve. This will play a vital role, guys. Okay. This one is lower curve. So this is nothing but f of x minus g of x dx. Okay. This part you need to be aware of. So this is type 1. Okay. This is type 1. Next we have the type 2. Okay. Type 2 that you can take. That is, let it be, is it is bounded with a curve is bounded with x axis. Okay. A curve is bounded with x axis at x equals to a and at between ordinates, obviously x equals to a and x equals to b. So this one is nothing but y equals to 0, right? So you can write it directly, write it down. This one is y equals to f of x, y equals to f of x, right? So you can directly write it down. From area would be nothing but area bounded by this curve. Okay. So this is nothing but from a to b, f of x, upper curve, lower curve is y equals to 0. So minus 0, it doesn't mean to us anything. Dx. Now type 3. So we are going to discuss all the types. So I am not discussing over here. You need to join the class of Brainypedia. Okay. And over there you would be getting all the informations. Okay. Now the basic thing that I have taken for you. Okay. Let's take one question based on that. Question 1. Find the area bounded. Find the area bounded by curve y equals to cos x between x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi. Okay. So first of all, you need to draw the graph, isn't it? You need to draw the graph, right? So let's draw the graph, guys. So we know that from 0 degree, it is 1 for cos I'm talking about. Okay. And at pi by 2, it is how much? 0, isn't it? At 3 pi by 2, so this is 2 pi. This is 0, obviously. They have asked you to find out the area. Which area they have asked you? They have asked you to find out this area, okay? Clear. They have asked you to find out this area. So this one, it is 0 at pi by 2. It is 0 at again 3 pi by 2. Then 2 pi. It is 1 at 2 pi. Right. So like what should be the area from 0 to 2 pi? It should be from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now you need to check the positive cos or negative cos as well. So this curve is lying above the x-axis. So cos x dx. This curve is lying below the x-axis. So plus of from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 minus of cos x. You need to write it down minus of cos x dx. Okay. I hope this part is clear to you, because it is lying below the x-axis. The graph or the curve which is lying above the x-axis should be taken positive, and the one which is lying below the x-axis should be taken negative. Okay. And the third one, which is already lying above the x-axis, so positive from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x dx. Okay. Now you need to solve it out, that's it. So cos x is positive of sin x, so sin x, and now from 0 to pi by 2. This one is minus sin x from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay. Then positive of from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Oh, sorry. I'm directly substituting the values only, no? So I would be substituting the values only, okay? The integrated value. So this one is sin x from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now substitute the values, okay? After substituting, you need to check the values that how much you're getting. Like suppose over here, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 is 0, minus of, okay? This one. Sin 3 pi by 2 is how much? Sin 3 pi by 2 is 2 pi minus pi by 2, right? Isn't it? So minus 1, I guess, right? Minus 1. Minus of that. So minus of minus, that will give you plus 1. So this one will give you 0. This term is will basically give you 0. Okay. Plus sine of 2 pi, sine of 2 pi minus sine of 3 pi by 2. So how much you're getting? Just solve it out and check out the values, the area. Okay. So this one is getting cancelled only. Now sine of 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi is nothing but 0, right? Sine 0 is 0, isn't it? Right? So this one is 0 and this one is minus of minus 1. So how much you're getting? 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? Isn't it? Okay. Clear? One more thing I would like to introduce you. This one, have I made clear? Made the calculation correctly? Like sin x of 3 from 3 pi by 2. So sin x 3 pi by 2 I have taken. That is minus 1. Okay. That's correct. Minus of okay, sorry guys. Over here I got a mistake. So I want to be able to cancel. Sorry. So this one it is a minus 1. Okay. So you'll get okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, it will give you 4. So area is how much? Area is 4. Like they had asked you find the area bounded by the curve cos x at x equals from a ordinate they had already given. Okay, so they had asked you this area. So this area is nothing but 2 plus 2, that would be 4. Okay, clear? I hope this part is clear to you. Now see, this question only if you want to like if you want to go through shortcuts. Okay, so one thing I can give you the shortcut that suppose I have one complete what do we call the complete this the entire thing, the entire curve of either sin x or cos x. Like if I consider this part, okay, if I consider from this part to this part, it is one complete semicircle. Okay, from like pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So always remember either it is sin x, curve of sin x, or it is curve of cos x. One complete arc will give you the area as 2 unit. 2 unit. So this is one of the half. Okay, and this is the other half. So and this is one of the so this area would be 2, and this half and half will give you one complete uh, semi arc, one complete semi arc. So this will also give you 2. So 2 plus 2 will give you how much? That is 4 unit. Without integrating, without finding out the integration, you can directly state that it is no, it is the value as or its answer as how much? 4 unit. Obviously square unit, sorry, square unit, because you are taking area. No, understood? Clear? Let's solve some one more question, guys. Okay, let's check one more question. Like find the area, find the area bounded by the curve y equals to x cube minus 4x, cube minus 4x, and x-axis, and x-axis is what? They have given you options as well. 5 square unit, 9 square unit, 8 square unit, 12 square unit. Okay, these are the 4 options. Let's solve this question, guys. So first of all, you need to draw the graph, isn't it? So what should be the zeros of this curve? So if I want to find out the zeros, what I will do? What I will do? Equate with 0. So x times x common x square minus 4 equals to 0. So what should be the zeros, guys? Zeros should be 0, comma 2, comma minus 2, isn't it? So if I'm erasing this line, because this line is not needed, I need to just I am just concerned about x-axis and the this curve y equals to this. Okay. So how will you find it out? Minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, and from 0 to 2. Okay, and from 0 to 2. That's what you will get. Yes or no? So this is the curve, and this curve is nothing but y equals to x cube minus 4x. Okay, clear? So guys, we need to find out the area. Okay. So area enclosed would be what? This one. Okay. And this one as well. So the logic is same again. To find out the area, what we are going to do? From -2 to 0, f of x dx. Okay. Plus this one, as you can see, from 0 to 2, minus of f of x dx. Why? Because it is lying below the x-axis. Okay. So -2 to 0. Upper curve would be like that only, x cube minus 4x dx plus 0 to 2. This would be minus of x cube minus 4x. Okay. Dx. And that's it. Find out the area. So how much we are getting? X to the power 4 by 4 minus 4x square by 2 from -2 to 0 plus of, obviously we can take directly minus over here common. Okay. I'm directly taking minus as common. So minus of, again the same thing only, x to the power 4 by 4 minus 4x square by 2 and limit from 0 to 2. Okay. Just find out the values. When you take 0, obviously it is 0. Minus of minus. Okay. So minus of -2 whole to the power 4 by 4. Minus of minus will give you plus. 4 to 2 to the 4. So 2 times -2 whole square. Now minus is already there. 2 to the power 4 by 4 minus 2 times 2a square. And just solve it out how much we are getting. Okay. So just solving it out, like minus 4. Okay. This one will give you -8, I guess. Isn't it? Sorry, plus 8. Sorry. Yeah. This one you will get again like 4. So -4 only. And plus minus into minus will give you plus. So 8. So it would be 8 only. 8 square unit. Okay. That should be the correct answer. So these are the things like there are many more questions to solve, guys. So that's all for today. From my end, please do enroll yourself in Brainipedia skills, and you will get to learn many more questions as well as concepts. Okay. So thank you. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Did that happen?